So what I'm reviewing today is Silver Garden and Mongolian barbecue. So what I got was the General Chicken combination plate that came with egg rolls, and I got those good old cream cheese wontons. Soy sauce? Soy. One more. Yeah, we gonna start it off with this good old General Chicken, y'all. I like the fact that it ain't soft. It still got a little crunch to it. Yeah, I see why it's popular on the menu. Kind of sweet, a little orange taste. You will mistake it for orange chicken if you don't know no better. Let's see what this rice do. Stir it on up a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So this ain't just fried rice. This is chicken fried rice. Let's see what it do. Regular. It pretty much tastes like some leftovers. Hold on, one more time. One more time. Dumpster juice. Hard pass. It's a hard pass, y'all. It tastes like they made it last week or something. It ain't it. It ain't it. No. No, no, can't do. Man, that most definitely ain't one of they strong suits. When the rice is lightweight, still white, it ain't right. I will say, they gave me enough to feed a village. Chow mein. It just got the good old carrots and the cabbage in it. You know what I'm saying? No meat. Pause. I think this is a spring roll. Either way, egg roll, spring roll, we gonna see what it do. Veggies. I rocks with a young Silver Garden. I rocks with it. The crunch there, the taste there. Everything tastes fresh. Oh, yes. It's good. Finna double back on this General Chicken. Cream cheese wonton without the sauce. With the sauce. It's good either way, but that sweet and sour be hitting different. And with all that being said, will I double back? I actually ordered the beef Mongolian barbecue, but it was so busy in there, I had to get my money back because all the rest of the food was done, and it was going to take like another 30 minutes.